Welcome to your natural beauty journey, to the Moroccan Atlas Mountains, Rhassoul clay. Rhassoul clay, also known as Ghassoul clay, is a mineral-rich clay mined from the Atlas Mountains in Morocco and has been used for centuries in traditional Moroccan beauty rituals, especially in Hammam treatments. It's prized for its purifying, detoxifying, and skin-softening properties. I post new videos every week on women's health, baby care, and natural beauty, so hit subscribe to stay updated. Virtues and benefits of Rhassoul clay for skin health. 1. Deep cleansing and detoxifying. Rhassoul clay has a natural ability to draw out impurities, toxins, and excess oils from the skin without stripping it of its natural moisture. It's especially beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. 2. Gentle exfoliation. Its fine, silky texture helps gently remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin smoother, brighter, and more refined. 3. Hydration and mineral enrichment. Rich in minerals like silica, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, Rhassoul helps replenish the skin, improve elasticity, and maintain a healthy moisture balance. 4. Soothing for sensitive skin. Unlike some harsh clays, Rhassoul is known for being non-irritating and soothing, making it suitable even for sensitive or reactive skin types. 5. Improves skin clarity and texture. Regular use can help tighten pores, reduce blackheads, and improve overall skin tone and texture, giving your skin a radiant and balanced glow. Common uses of Rhassoul clay. Face masks, mixed with rose water, honey, or essential oils. Full body wraps in spa treatments. Hair masks, cleansing without stripping natural oils. How to make Rhassoul clay face mask. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Rhassoul clay, 1 tablespoon rose water, or plain water for sensitive skin, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for extra hydration. Instructions. 1. In a non-metallic bowl, combine Rhassoul clay with rose water. 2. Add honey if desired and mix until smooth and creamy. 3. Apply a thin layer to clean face, avoiding the eye area. 4. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, don't let it dry completely. 5. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. 6. Follow with a light moisturizer. Tip: use once a week for refreshed, glowing skin. Rhassoul clay masks by skin types. Rhassoul clay for oily skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon Rhassoul clay, 1 tablespoon rose water or green tea, 5 drops lemon juice, natural astringent. Benefits: absorbs excess oil, tightens pores, prevents shine. Rhassoul clay for dry skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon Rhassoul clay, 1 tablespoon rose water or milk, 1 tablespoon honey, ½ tablespoon argan oil or olive oil. Benefits: deep hydration, nourishes, smooths dry patches. Rhassoul clay for acne-prone skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon Rhassoul clay, 1 tablespoon chamomile tea or rose water, 2 drops tea tree oil. Benefits: fights bacteria, reduces inflammation, calms redness. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe for weekly tips. Leave your answer in the comments.